New at 11, an I-team investigation. A local mother of two young children who has no criminal record has been detained in a tri-state jail for the past 2 years. 9 on your side, Chief Investigator Craig Cheatham looks into the case of this Ohio resident who arrived here illegally and is now waiting to be deported.
They are the casualties of a bad decision made 13 years ago by a teenage girl from China. That girl, now 30, has been in the Butler County Jail for the last 2 years. Li Li Chen, married to a U.S. citizen, the mother of 2 young children, is being detained by U.S. Immigration Customs Enforcement for using a fake passport when she tried to enter America in 2004.
She's not a criminal. Okay, she don't do anything wrong with nobody. She don't take anything away from nobody.
In 2004, Li Li Chen was detained, released, and ordered to return to China, but she disappeared. In 2013, she was arrested outside her home in Columbus. 2 years later, she swallowed soap on the plane that was preparing to fly her back to China. Mrs. Chen has been in jail since then. She called the I-team last week.
Why am I in here is not because what America did to me, it's because I didn't do the right thing at the first time. I still love this country. As long as I'm still in this country, there is a chance, there's a hope to get back to my family.
Her family has collapsed. Mrs. Chen's brother-in-law helped, but Li Li's husband quickly fell into a deep depression. A year ago, their children, Kiki and Jackie, were flown to China to live with Li Li's mother.
I don't understand Chinese, and I want to be American because I understand what everybody is talking, so I can play with friends.
After the children went to China, Li Li's husband Wang moved to Alaska, still struggling with thoughts of suicide.
That's my experience every time I talk to them. They're always crying.
In the most recent review of her case, the ICS Administrative Appeals Office determined that although she had shown her husband and children would suffer hardship, that she had paid taxes and been approved for a petition for an alien relative, her track record with immigration was too much to overcome. Her request for a waiver was denied.
I have a hope. I feel like I'm fighting for my family. I feel like I have to be strong. As long as I'm still in this country, there is a chance.
A week ago, a federal investigator interviewed Mrs. Chen as part of another review of her case. Her attorney says the only new development he's aware of is the I-team's request to interview Mrs. Chen, a request we submitted to Immigration Customs Enforcement. Federal immigration officials have not responded to any of our requests. Craig Cheatham, 9 on your side.